In this video, I'm going to talk about the process of oogenesis. Oogenesis takes place in the female reproductive system inside the ovaries. The ovaries shows follicles in different stages of development, and the process of oogenesis happens inside these follicles. When the follicle matures to become a Graafian follicle, the oocyte is released from this. Oogenesis is the process of formation of a haploid female gamete from a diploid cell. Here, the primary egg cell undergoes division and maturation to become a mature egg cell or the ovum. In this process, only one ovum is produced, and along with that, there are 3 polar bodies produced, unlike the process of spermatogenesis where there are 4 sperms produced. The diploid egg cell is the oogonium, which undergoes mitotic division, giving rise to oogonias. One of the oogonium then differentiates to become the primary oocyte. This primary oocyte is a diploid cell and it undergoes meiosis. So after the first meiotic division, the primary oocyte gives rise to 2 cells. One cell, which has a larger cytoplasm, is the secondary oocyte, and the other one with a less amount of cytoplasm is the polar body, that is the first polar body formed during oogenesis. These cells are now haploid cells. This further undergoes meiosis too. So the secondary oocyte now divides again, giving rise to 2 unequal cells. The one with a larger cytoplasm is the ovum, and the other one with lesser cytoplasm is the second polar body. The first polar body may also undergo division, giving rise to 2 more polar bodies, thus having 3 polar bodies and 1 ovum. The part where the oogonium undergoes mitosis, giving rise to oogonia, is called as a multiplication phase, whereas the process where the oogonium differentiates to become the primary oocyte is called as a growth phase. The next phase, that is a maturation phase, is a part where the primary oocyte undergoes division to become or to produce the ovum. The multiplication phase and the growth phase takes place in the fetal life, and the female has primary oocytes present at the time of birth. This undergoes meiosis after puberty to give rise to the secondary oocyte, and this secondary oocyte then completes the meiotic division only after fertilization.